In primetime news this evening, brace for tough times. Economy expected to face a downturn as Melissa's efforts set in.
Government to lend JPS money to help with restoration, but says no automatic license renewal.
And attention again on the police following yet another fatal shooting. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up later in business news, small hoteliers in Negril experiencing an uptick in business.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Archie. The West Indies opponents for the group stage of next year's T20 World Cup have been announced. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
So this evening we're asking, what's been your experience when delivering or receiving aid in the areas affected by Hurricane Melissa?
This should be quite interesting. Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after the break.